As I say, industry no is very important. One of them, according na ye be project industry no ye catch and say this year no be. That they disappointing say. We should tell the customer say industry no is very important. One of the most important sectors. The president actually admitted that. He also talked about the fact say you can't employment industry is viable, and he is right. It's if the president what's the industry it's minimum. How did they mess the whole budget allocation just about one person a crown fireside? How? And you see, for the first time, when President kasa about industry now, you see say or kasa unim the okapa. This one he was not convincing. He seemed caught off guard. The boy no and smartness. Say unim stuff about the industry, but clearly what he said about industry was not convinced. For the first time, President Mahama came about industry, he was not sure of himself, and that's very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. And you see,
that Dana beyond the return, no BM. And this is a time I'm also afraid it's not going to be a December kind of affair. Year long. Please give us roadmap. Without money, you should be able to give us a plan. Ya bre say the beer talk shop near Kasa near my promises here who the koso. And I'm telling my penny semester no omo banning tebia he shouldn't accept sa response ye guso aye toto niema. Omo ban me there wo omo ban me train stakeholders for omo chia omo within 9 months and into your maye. And now my penny should demand a report from them. Call around, stakeholder engagement, and who they will say they should demand a report from the Black Star Experience Secretariat. No, they we will not accept it. Give us a plan. We use against a political party like NDC, but maybe a creative arts me first, and because I'm a major benefactor of this industry, no, and who be here say, was a saboshe no machine or deliver. Empress, let's look at the economic benefiter, the creative art industry at the brain on my way. Go back and go and read reports from the Ghana Tourism Authority. How much money that the year of return, any diasporans or how much money they raked in this country? Do you know how much money are these diasporans here buy a chrome with the dollars and stuff that they spend? How it goes in the long run to strengthen our cities? So sisi ayeti hey say December do na ye ni bibi aye ton ama o manfo no ahwe animu se wo mo bagana and we are going to lose big time.
Abushan for the creative art industry HC Mahama. The creative art industry Yoda Mahama and Kasako Juna simple so a promise one say obey movie village or he's going to create a different Black Star liner throughout the year. They are going to do many events. They will promote the Ghana creative art industry. Abusia, and then United Showbiz. So the creative art men now know what you want to Mahama. I disappointing Uncle I didn't hear you say Mahama and Kasatime Romo any my budget. I want for 1 city. Uncle say 1 city way me the map the creative art. Now omuka sana ya ba metim say na papa we ya friend kwaku menu owan Mahama so obesi theater obey bibia creative art industry be paja kona nim under his watch. Abusia sana ni nyina e kotompo na braba etine the creative art industry no the stakeholders no omatuja e de Mahama yen kwenko tiasa Mahama kan ne press meeting na one media for no e handle ye no o ka kire won so no afiwe budget ni ho mo no agi se 2026 na say year of return na nando ye ni nyina ye Ghana nya $2 billion out of year of return. Mahama dawru mantie ne saadi we December we e bai you any free so it won't happen. Young Kwenko Tinsama Mahama can press conference or any response the creative art industry men Nankasa and the Amanbra if you wish and send me more to can say I Ras Media, one subscriber, message from Sa, a see Adoman, so said a bear, made a video to my be one of the first people, number 10, number baby. Medase.
Creative industry creates jobs faster than the traditional sectors that we have known. By the time the cocoa sector or manufacturing creates one job, the creative sector, digitalization, knowledge industry, arts and things would have created about 5 jobs. And so that's an area in which we have to continue to invest. And that is why we created them as a ministry together with tourism. The Black Star experience will take off. They've been working on all the foundational issues, and you'll soon see a sign of it. In the next budget, we're going to make some allocation for the creative arts, for the film fund, and to support Kuma Wood and all the filmmakers, to support the music industry, to support the arts and all that. We need to put our money where our mouths are. And I think that the creative arts are a good representation of our culture and who we are as a people. Thank you. The creative industry creates jobs faster than the traditional sectors that we have known. By the time the cocoa sector or manufacturing creates one job, the creative sector, digitalization, knowledge industry, arts and things would have created about 5 jobs. And so that's an area in which we have to continue to invest. And that is why we created them as a ministry together with tourism. The Black Star experience will take off. They've been working on all the foundational issues, and you'll soon see a sign of it. In the next budget, we're going to make some allocation for the creative arts, for the film fund, and to support Kuma Wood and all the filmmakers, to support the music industry, to support the arts and all that. We need to put our money where our mouths are. And I think that the creative arts are a good representation of our culture and who we are as a people. Thank you. The creative industry creates jobs faster than the traditional sectors that we have known. By the time the cocoa sector or manufacturing creates one job, the creative sector, digitalization, knowledge industry, arts and things would have created about 5 jobs. And so that's an area in which we have to continue to invest. And that is why we created them as a ministry together with tourism. The Black Star experience will take off. They've been working on all the foundational issues, and you'll soon see a sign of it. In the next budget, we're going to make
Nkoye. Tipacho, kukwa ni bisa yewe.
Nkoye because of.
Was it 2026?
Disappointing. But let me even start from DC Wednesday. The fact that presidents in the presentation, or even before our questions, there was no mention of creative industry.
Okay.
Just say, to draft presentation actually forgot about the creative industry. Almost so I feel almost could be some questions so Ubia and Jane Namisha Salama painter.
Thank you.
Say, regardless of the fact that young boy ye deal with presentation or say there be na me could be some question on creative industry. Now the kumi say video na air around. Ya message sala part now will be sa question. And so you nipa na or didn't see one industry. And that's unfortunate. We only see this, but there could be some question ya nephew. Bibi asala will be anyamisha.
Amen.
But seriously, so we take a clearer picture of the AC now in Chai. Because governments are the level of attention on the industry.
President we pen wama industry players one more position so.
Akodi na ye be project industry no ye ka train say this year ni bi. That they disappointing say. We should tell the customer say industry no very important. One of the most important sectors The president actually admitted that. He also talked about the fact say you can't employment industry is viable, and he is right. It's even the president what the industry it minima. How did they mess the whole budget allocation just about one person crown fireside? How? And you see, for the first time, when President kasa about industry now, you see say or kasa unim the okapa. This one he was not convincing. He seemed caught off guard. The boy no and smartness. Say unim stuff about the industry, but clearly what he said about industry was not convinced. For the first time, President Mahama come about industry, he was not sure of himself, and that's very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. And you see, I say you're careful. We share NDC manifesto 2024 resetting agenda now. Black Star experience, the whole creative industry from art, tourism, culture, and has been couched under Black Star experience. It's not say Black Star experience is a standalone project. The entire industry, from culture to arts to tourism, it's been couched under Black Star experience. And it was their flagship program. I mean, even when you read the manifesto, they tell you say it's a flagship thing. Now they are flagship. They are the Yaman Iska. So the whole year, the likes of KOD, Kafui Danku, Honorable Gomashi, they are just going back and forth. And it's not fair. It's not fair to them, because now we say be some questions. Say, and clearly in course, the industry in the last since a part government we ban, nothing has gone on in our industry.
Dr. Kwame Baidoo.
Empress, a Nibia bow. A Nibia bow. No, seriously, it's not a laughing matter anymore. Okay? When you read the manifesto, 3.3.1, a culture, almost 10 commitment, promise ya culture and we are further ahead. And that Black Star experience, I'm saying every month you be Calendar Day, you be festival, you be say about 3.3.2. A friends a creative industry, almost 20 promises. About 3.3.3, tourism, and also be almost 50 promises, 50 for industry. No, not the whole year, not easy. It's not something I say joking about. 50, it is the whole year. 50 commitments, 50 promises. Yo, it's not fair. It is not fair. And you know what is disturbing? Most disappointingly, it means a December in GH, maybe if you buy year of return beyond the return, I by December in DH at least. And no crown a may be so miss a non comprehensive. Disappointingly, it's a Black Star experience. They say, but you see that's one of the buying Sasana and wine, because clearly this was one of the brilliant initiatives of the SWA government. But because another government said about the vision for Bantino, obey you, suddenly your policy na kakwe. Akani papi more project and as a venture about the industry, any Ghana, and the figures are there to show. Said beyond year of return beyond the return and the December revenue are generating my industry from tourism to arts to all sectors, from aviation to wherever, because they are interconnected. Aviation, transport, hoteliers, tourism, it means December in GH now are projected and as a properly and over the years in this year. And you are being told that you are my shade. It's not this. I laugh as I say, because we do not matter. What they are telling us over the period we will think this is way very different. It's forget about why I'm appointing and call for. Now, our appointing and call for next, we need the accoutrement to work at. There was a point. What's the point? How do I go and tell Kafu Danku say Kafu you won't share any if you know you won't share? How do I go and hold it accountable? How do I go and hold Jifaku Machine say for months you won't share? How do I have to go to KO this office and ask and say then a cost for diaspora officer? No budget the entire year. Listen, we must set up. We really must set up. People must call people to call way to power. It doesn't look good. It doesn't. Omo drafted budget na omo we fee and say intention so nyame no mbedi. It's not fair. A whole industry what promise number 50 into 50 no certain time ben.
Next year.
50 now what promise industry no you gina so ka say beto abama no because what my hope. When will you start? Next year and complete all the 50 and I say promises na keke. I say kasa. It's way enye fair. Enye fair kwa. See ya ma yeni ambre a wo ho. Yo.
V.
Empress. Me sha say a mebo President Mahama Baso. Jumedi no di na no koda na kire se one ne manfo na ebu man na bom se waduru brebi na wa frɛ nyina se ye mbran bi hye mu na one ye enkasa. But Empress, as ye bebre egi ye mampeni attention. Ye wo health, ye wo economy na kasa ye wo roads, transportation, bebre agreg egi ye mampeni attention. Eti se ebia akwan bi asai dia ye nyina nam so ye be feel se o akwan we dia asenti e wo se mampeni babeye ba ye sector no se ya nka ye hawa obi tiechira ohun hawa ye famuda because so ne radio de bia ye bonyom oso TV de bia ye yisini wo ho enti ya nkasa ya nka ye yaria ye betina honom saa mampanifo no bia fa ne focus and by ye side can na ye say ye nkrofo no be ye less represented with parliament but you say we can't see the same because ye hu say ye nkrofo no bi wo ho ma e bi kra kase even though om kan ye ho no e ba na memmo na om betwem ho they want to go to other sectors om pese om de ye ho ba be boye biem yate eno ase ni na ye ti hanom say enti yenya mampani sana it's a fine opportunity for young creative space for no to ask your questions because they be a roads minister ko de kwan asem ko ba ye no why na e kasagu na sum a kire ne say ye wo how now ye koya only one question and a free salamat ho epie me bisa say invitation na call out no ye we kuku a omo ye sector imu anye bia ebi come music ebi come kuo bia omo representing na invitation na call sign in the first place because metina me TV hu twen ya wait and say the big grand be pie frimo e wo won ye side no but ye hu hwe mampani afa ne microphone wa respond say oh creative space no ye say o say your jobs no ye creative back e wa other sectors na ye nkwai me creative 5 meaning say our understanding no metina say response or the buy because bosho mama ene say one first 120 days no ye be launch Black Star experience ya launch ye gusu 8 solid months and 9 solid months afi na ye gusu ye ma try makwe. There's been conversations ye ba ye be launch ye pen ye ka say ye ni roadmap bia to sa Black Star experience. The any man say you see every day is going to be a cultural display bi wo baby. Ye near ye die ye bata Caribbean ye say there's going to be a festival somewhere. Ye ni roadmap bia. Metina ha ka say there's a total disconnect from Black Star experience in Pennyfone and Yomoka. Any minister on Abujifa Blagumashi de Oka. Me refer to me notes abra okotina say ye vet no or say Black Star experience no. Say you do assemblies no behwe omo resources so omo wo any ade ehia e wo mpotem ho na se sika ne beso a ye de asoso amoma ye. And then I sat here and I said no. Mama yet it's a national agenda. Ye push forward ye be free sa December festivities na ye a year long festivities. Mama ka say for proposals ne adia o mo fambra. So miti hano I'm worried. Say mampeni beka say asad now no ye gusu a ye didi nkomo won fitire. Na foundation be na ye si a ye bra 9th month mu ye hu hwe be si ne. Enti wo ye ne sana mi trace fit na that disconnect no a flow through till baby ye drew se si ano. And I don't blame mampeni because nkofo bi wo ho odi o mesisi wa asenka omo ye dede say the other sectors no ye dede gu na suma na kenya ne say a whole fiscal year no ye free mu a ye ti ha ye di abobo no. So they should be up and doing mama mampeni accept it's in the pipeline kind of response no ABM. Na me share ni mu say festival bi to say Charlie water ye na nka omo dom ho kra begim na ka fi we ye hu something grand. But what did we see? Ebesinko, just like that. So buse, we asked, I think Rexoma, they were on X Space, I say, a day na ekoso. And he was like, so yeah, any response, Papa, I want me bambina. No, yeah, demanding. So by now we should know the way forward. Oh dear, someone give us the roadmap. Na ye who say month way, ye celebrity way, month way, ye celebrity way. Till now, Empress, ye who she. Yeah, appreciate promise no budgetary allocation some be in next year no. But see e be my year we chimpa ye who roadmap biade. I don't think say any creative should accept it because ye talk shop or Empress who be a manifesto be more pages upon pages. They be a kind of tra. Your priority pass is see no you see or how when it comes to even venue campo film village baby a site film village near who baby a DC. It is see how the fund neba. Priority list be na ye follow. Dey na ye ne kane ansa na dey di waba. It to give us the roadmap first. Sasikeni ho kwapa, I believe said the secretariat should be able to tell us. Say Busumi way festival we ni ye. Say the beya sikani ba wo disburse now we push resources now. It will make sense to every Ghanaian. Yeah bro, Empress. Saturday be na betina ni kasa na afia so ni sorry campaign time do ni aswa wo mu ni ekra placard ni e bonyum fam no. We won't do that job again. Give us road map. Say it was September. Kwame Nkrumah month ni. What to see a dinner baby, I can see ye baby afa Juana. Mate say yes, a bimo call Kwame Nkrumah crew. But as to involvement, I buy involvement because my own a few people na a chahun to my back corner here cause Rangadian be a Nikwa show. Because we know the state of Sebi baby, a first president free a be a prese, yen CC ho ye na man phone pumbeche. Year October, then a black star experience for priority. November, December, they will fall on that dana beyond the return noir BM. And this is a time I'm also afraid it's not going to be a December kind of affair. Year long. Please give us roadmap. Without money, you should be able to give us a plan. Ya bre say the beer talk shop near Kasa near my promises ye who dear koso. And I'm telling my penny say mesre no omo ban ntebia he shouldn't accept sa response ye gusu aye toto niema omo ban me there wo omo ban me train stakeholders for omo chia omo within 9 months any ntoto ye omaye and my penny should demand a report from them omo call around so omo ko ye omo stakeholder engagement and who they say they should demand a report from the Black Star Experience Secretariat no. The biana mu push ni pakosa how musa ya kasa we will not accept it. Give us a plan. Without money they can set it up. Na analyze it ni enko yenim. So now ni the woman can train who they've met so far. To ahodo mako across the region so far. Any the omo pese omo ye. Enti sa dia. Ye ntina se sa bi.
Yeah, that's Romeo.
I had men can be brave. Na the ama we nyina ba ne se e na mbusa se criteria be na mo de select journalist a omukushi omampanyin because say omampanyin person oshia journalist na omututu na no na ekwaye se bia party for na be from namfofo a omuni mo so we mu de omo ba enim say da questions bi o mbeguma say ya na be. There's no fairness. Oshe journalists are called now. Menka so mo NDC for. But I'm telling you, say a lot of them are friends. Inti ebasana, oh, yem frey and for no mumbra. Inti nobody will be serious and ask our questions where I can. And ana mini anamo kano. Stakeholders or more industry more. Ahina no I'll meet me with our questions way. What you didn't say? Inti this is how it's going to be. And I'm getting disappointed too. Because me can say time when I bought my mini di ohano me try can say I know this woman will work, and trust me I'm not seeing anything from the minister. Omo mi hu omo kakra omo ye adwuma ye Abeku Santana KOD I think so me no pa na me hu even kra no Abeku boss no kra woman no kra no fine she's always with Abeku nti ono mpo de me ha no but Rexoma and the minister Honorable your friend Jifa. I'm not seeing her.
I see radio stations in Yemobia invite so the 2% epe continent ka wosenka radio station phone so the invite na baba nipe 2 na no beko but ye de ni de salamat no ono ye ejuma presidency nti no kita passa one cameraman be
on the
ono omunena what I say ti say nyo no bisa ma ye dia omu nyina media houses na wo Ghana ha nyina akoye no omu bia bisa ma
nti ho amu ne select omu koye
na me che say etuche media house na nkasa
nti na me say men pese me kasa bi you see normal say no emotional say you can and eba say obi ti ba bia na odwene no ma bi ma I mean it's not fair said they can promises be brave and no make here what you say and we are not seeing them and we are getting disappointed obi beka say oh say 9 months dey yenko achiri bia kakran koko na ankra na be yema
ayema
and according to say who opposition and somewhere who can meaning the entity say the month na mawa na we free who say den enche 4 years ebe wo ahaya na ebe satena na ya kan say dey kan na yen spare obia me that's it
say you clarify bibi mampeni ka say onye krado na se sikeni ho ode beboa we yi apamfo say bia o che ne se kwan we ni ekwa ebeboa ya we ready to support but this is the case bibi an shedan ye den MP mu ma ya obigina so aka say no ntino o ye say ana so ye say nti ye ka say yen kofo no enkeka omo ho na fi
Dabio you know say the yen kofo no present bibi
no I'm saying say said ye kum kasa ne say say ye pressure president as a president say obeboa yen ka say ye can say there should be sa constant voice no one asuma say the other sectors na pray yes ye be pre be ka gu na asuma every time obitimi aye de
yes say teachers for
what ma say
na doctors for no
because ye go striker to go striker
gu na asuma de wo
mo say bia on person obey you why card say obey but we need sa constant
wait why card so obey say also what them enter say
no I'm saying because ni
kasa o say
kasa no one kasa onye why you ready to support what the mechanism
ready to support is
this year
also onye kasa ye ni hwe ya tremu akwakosi but say the kum ka kono is as if I'm just trying to say me makuma te the ho ase say enye say oba ye nche ni ye ha no enye ni sa ni ye ka no ba ye pese de bia no ya sembebo ebeba ne
Dabi o sa me Arnold do ka bibi say oba ye no boso me nkono anampacho enye sa so wo ka bibi sa
but enye ma ekoso wa da sentence
me ba o ka say oba ye boso me nkono eti boso me nkono no
I didn't even name my number.
Okay, and bia.
Me reference me make here na.
Eti dia na me so me pese me kire nse so oba ye no. E ya boso me nwotwe edu kura na. Yanto ye bo asema no.
To me to ye bo because other sectors. Because other sectors na ejuma e koso. Na kum tata na yesu ye ha na ejuma bitimi akoso.
Debi ntu wase na o ka me kai president Mahama ba ya na o microphone position. Enya ha na wo betena ye be patcho se aka wo na wo twen wo de wo nyanto boase.
Na position ye de amane. Young friend, man, I say thank you. It's most of the year.
There be a penalty.
Also,
no, because
before I bet to us, I'm not. Me can say, I'm first 1 year, and no one baby to establish the Creative Arts Fund. But I think I was okay.
Yes, yeah, much.
Next year.
And
it's the first year na she go say second year na be come next year.
Tina say sa boshe we there.
And to me pass.
This is where
I can say you the book at home.
It is awful.
You know social contract.
So am I.
And me so ko. Ti dey twin crofo na dwena si say omo keka omo. Say dey o kana mo pani no no kwa no man no just in team. Anything na ye won crofo mo represent here. But omo na omo ho keka no ye.
Eno na me so make bibi say wo push bibi na wo push na de na ma yaso wo twe bibi na ma na bibi kutam
enu mu jemu
ebi won so awon twen o betime gina de na se ba
e mu leaders na mo ntwe
exactly
dabi on say edu ba bi a minu ye kasa no na say aban na ba boso me nkono
because See, the I animal air pointing at the presidency. Say, Bosch and Urban, yan try and go social media near you. Obi na be social contracts what you say. Obi na be communicate train. And not train say busumi we mu say na me ya mama. Busumi we say na me say na enti say ma why na me kono. Onipa na wo be share sa abo no. Any e twe no no so any omo a wa form say na na mo nsifo omo sisi various institutions and so no so be kwa twe omo a wa twe omo na ya.
Na o share bono so a wo twe no no. E no so ese den. Wabe you want to be can
see I fear di kan wa mayeska I fear so be no di kakra be.
Thank you. Eti kakra. Na eno so na na me so me kasa se ye tena se ye.
Ya ti na you dey talk kwa ya dwene e be kire say.
Oh say me no say wo kire wa dwene ba ye nto ye bo asema no. Say de tie bia John Mahama de waka na obe ye.
Yo Jackie. Oh, I don't know say. Who be kan
everything has been said, to be honest. everything has been said, but on Memi's side there, to put politics aside and everything, me as a creative nankasa, me who say Bibia I scattered around. Now me Babeka about the roadmaps, but she already mentioned it. Me who say there's misplaced priorities, there's responsibilities, ni accountability, ni na fra. So it's like there's no straight direction. Do you understand? So I think saying now, if we put our voices together like this now, because ya can't show ways to see it will go on to the news, and then they will see it. Now I fear because conversation where it's not just this year, it has been there since. I think say we the creatives know we've been complaining, and I mean kind of say we've been even complaining. We've been trying to voice out, say we are not getting the attention that we feel like we need to have. And I believe say after this conversation, maybe a better louder now. I feel the news and the information a bit me drew into the closest year.
Do you think the government on fire is serious?
I think we just need to keep voicing out the more. That's what I think we need to do. And the people are the right places to speak to the right people. And to be honest, they are really the ones that we have to also direct our voices to. Those that are close to the presidency, that can speak and voice out for us. And so they also need to try a bit harder. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, but my main clarify will be about the roadmap. Okay. Rather than Jackie can about the roadmap. So roadmap. If you go to Black Star Experience, they've told you exactly what they want to do.
But it's one year back.
Yes, it's been outlined. And I'm me, almost launch here.
Roadmap, no,
I think I don't know. Let me just come in if I may help. I think what they are referring to by the roadmap to the Black Star Experience, and they say, how are they rolling it out? Yes, they have told us that month way, but as to dates, as to when, as to how, I remember when I interviewed Uncle Rex, this similar question I make her say it looks as though there is no clear roadmap as to what we are actually doing with the Black Star Experience. Then he said, oh, there's a roadmap. Oh, so it's like we want to know. You said that this month this is what is happening, that month this is what is happening, but we've still not had anything till now as to even when this is happening or not. When you ask, it's like it's in the pipeline sort of answer.
We don't need money to be able to.
Nipa chill say obey a day we obey you with betu winim ma misika ntimi ko draw say 24th 25th me minister. Okay. 24th 25th me culinary man
before no budget no for that.
Exactly, there's no budget.
You don't just
already have told you say month be a may say when there's so mama miska no much so because we was scanning from 6th to 5th no me from 8th to 12th me scan no say me 8 to 4th. If 8 to 4th no me scan me coin. So what roadmap are we talking about? We're outlining exactly what he or she wants to do with that project. Osima miska.
Na office date na this year ankasa no budget no o mama is.
Any when you president number. You know, see, I don't know why my reason. And obi esu ni ho obi sans identity no why my. You know what is confusing? He admitted say very important.
President ne dey utie ne kasa na utie so value industry.
There's a gap.
He has the industry.
Obi be pushing na.
Exactly.
Empress. Push I na monte masie no.
Push na bi be to demonstration.
Because month maybe any when ADC and pampas so I dey
ebeba study ya Empress ebeba involving
yes across the country involving in nipeku omo a wa
16 regions
sa plan omo ya aware pose bibi say ba because we mo feature.
Yeah, uncle.
Empress, I am highly disappointed to say the least. Because Empress, first of all, my member President Mahama Basu, because one of the things you cannot take from President Mahama is his clarity in communication. President Mahama Kasa, he's extremely eloquent, like he knows what he's talking about. But for the very first time, no. He looked misplaced, Kakra, in the answer that he gave. Because Samobe Kaya, let me take you back to the launch of the Black Star experience. When Kai intro now President Demai, when it was his time to speak, in the introduction that he gave, the eloquency that he displayed there, and some of the history that he gave about the creative art industry, you could clearly tell, say, he has a lot of interest in the creative art industry. Now, this is where my disappointment is. The crux of the issue we are discussing now is about the budget allocation. Arnold Baidoo, Kaya, back to the Black Star experience, no, the president stated categorically that maybe in the month of June or July, as part of the Black Star experience, there will be a fashion show where he himself will walk the runway. He said that he gave us, or say, a concert party, he gave a detailed analysis of events that will be happening each and every month. So imagine my disappointment when the president, after telling us that on this month, that month, this is what we are doing. Mianka Sakrame to me when she was a memo deal with Niemanibi. Now the president tells me fast forward months down the line that there's no budget allocation. So that means that simply no Jina so no be catcher me say na fi we busumi we me no. No e busire mu kan. Anana ye den. Because I'm very sure say nkrofo say actually there should be something ya no mo Nigeria suntia e ma wo mutumi put it together that ma president ebe kan kire yen e ma ye mu bebre you looking forward to some of these events. Then fast forward down the line, you see budget allocation be anyone. Empress, when this Black Star experience thing ebaye, you mu be bebre we were of the opinion say na ye maintaining the year of return to Ghana because I know na ya market ya na ye den ato man for ni team na ye share na ye market na ye rolling all the other programs under Black Star experience under the same year of return because eno na ya ton ama wo man for ni experience no mo ba no ma gi atum yes no a Black Star experience na ye den now you need budget allocation. So now my question is that what is going to happen this December? Then because they gave us video manifesto no much December we the year of return now in a conversation on Twitter space Uncle Rex say you can say Black Star experience the Bejina and nice so 2 years time. And then he also said yes, he also said that Sesiano Black Star experience what they dano now Vida raised a very brilliant example. Chalote Festival this year, did you even take notice that there was a Chalote Festival going on? No, we didn't. So is it that they don't take the creative arts seriously or something? Listen, these are the things that opposition party will use against a political party like NDC. But maybe a creative arts me first. And because I'm a major benefactor of this industry, and who be here say, was a sab no machine or deliver.
Empress, let's look at the economic benefiter. The creative art industry at the bread on my way. Go back and go and read reports from the Ghana Tourism Authority. How much money that the year of return any diaspora or how much money they raked in this country? Do you know how much money are these diasporans here with the dollars and stuff that they spend? How it goes in the long run to strengthen our cities? So say December do na ye ni bibi a ye ton ama o manfo no ahwe animu se wo mo bagana and we are going to lose big time. And it's going to be a big blow for us. Because akoye say de bia wo ko shop bi okoto ade wo shop bi unim said this is your trusted reliable source. In the past few years year of return anyway no oma toni ye pa ma o manfo agiato. We've seen Ghana being mentioned on some of the major entertainment platforms in abroad. And how did we get there? Year of return, year soon first one, yedi ebedu. So imagine, say they be a me koha minya dia me pene na okohona wunya. Won't you get disappointed? You will get disappointed. So how should we be able to say we are okay with the fact that the entire year there was no budget allocation to the creative arts sector, and we have 3 months to end the year. Meanwhile, we were told that in month X, say December we there na ye. Because the shocker is that the neighboring countries are more sub-regions, no more. This is an opportunity for them to redirect attention into their countries. Because as it stands now, we don't know what we are doing in December to even market our already existing year of return in Yamana.
Say you're too quick to judge President Mahama because it was September. I can say be autotonia.
The president told us that in June, July there will be a fashion show that he will work. Autoto then said June, July Anna,
it was September.
And
so October we need the other.
There be. The American China say. I say we are demanding too much. We are not talking out of a vacuum.
You prioritize you want performance. That's a problem. This year no, that's the point. It's what I say. Ya massacre be say ya fanye bina omo assassin. You say omunya ne temo omunya. There be. Just say ya check cake no, you say mo ye less into no ya mamu be for this year. That's where the problem is.
Yes, all mamu be. Mo di ya beba.
Oh, so fucking chacha nya but I feel
now
baby ayen TCC ano. Yes, Mr. President. I'm appealing to the presidency. If not for anything, for national pride alone, they should find money for the creative art industry. They should find money, and if it's a reallocation of budget that they have to do it. Last year, campaign, I said that when it comes to campaign messages, every political party is chasing after creative arts people to trumpet their messages so that a better nipatrin, because even on my manifesto nanka sampono nipan jin tumuti sasa dia enyumne niyama ekanho ayeye kanho no. This is a humble appeal to the presidency that if not for anything, for national pride alone, we have to find money for the creative arts industry. That we stand the risk of losing out of all the money I are investing to sell this country in the name of year of return, to sell this country in the name of return. We stand a risk of losing that. Because in marketing, you be say, oh, I now went to me and return here. Because we stand the risk of losing all the people that we are to directing our attention through the creative art space. We stand the risk of losing them.
Nancy March, Parliament, I approve 65.9 million budget for sports. Nancy March, So this is what we are talking about. Other sectors no be benefited. So why not the creative arts? The one I'm common one. Say na common what is a good? Because $65.9 million for sports. We know me in article mai. Se be kan okrepa dey empower sports. Yenye free. Ka fi say yenye cap yenjibi. and so afi bia cap be ye ben oh omini pola ye ben
ja ye ben na yes
what you say and so afi bia sports ye one
and na yes sports ya na stone boy ko to
and I mean because
budget yes
o mine no o man panyina
to so go ni free
o mine no jeba no dey na benefit
o mu ko boy se kakra
but every year bia o ye budget e fast and so ye nya hwe free we ya ye see ye bo qualify ye see o de ote ye beko work cabinet mi kwa o ya group stage me do me group stage na na asaba
yamba
na ya fibia yesa
ko US
yeah but no qualify FIFA Moscow
no minimum me see ase o
bibia your budget
but every year bia o ye budget for sa I mean sa industry no na dey ntina ye de no bibia dey say yase so you see that said they don't take us serious said they can and I omomudi yanim na omuko ho no ebia I don't know I don't get
it's even a problem that the president will address all these issues and if not for a certain salamat the creative art industry wouldn't have been mentioned. Meanwhile, prior to voting, the creative art industry was always on the top list. Obia odi echine bia onko back no check. You see how
she's right. The thing is, she's right because before election, President Asia industry, almost 3 times. AH Hotel, Asia AH Hotel, it's another grand one.
You understand?
And I'm saying it's a flagship project. It's a flagship project. It's not like it's BBKK.
So I think
you know the meaning of flagship.
The problem.
Flagship
is either the people leading us, and no problem no. And I say.
It's not fair. Seriously, it's not fair.
It's honestly
it's not as a gun in a cow. And it's okay. You me a belt this year. Yes, it's can be who buy a when you be. That's where the point is.
Do you think they're paying for now? I was so much me ejina de na no na. To this carnival.
Na minister you could have know. Okay, can of woman.
Me come put let me person ejina in my crop for you. Oh, what do you do?
The man is saying, "Yeah, Chelsea can, but you won't know your amount to pay next year." Yeah, that's how we are saying. Yes, it's what she said. Ghana in this cow, I say about next year. Yeah, but this year no, we are for one cow because when you priority.
Something I make cut on say obey.
And the minister no so
because for some of your representatives, some of us on this same platform, you have better advocacy, more for creative art industry from Kwatina ho, more for creative art from Kwatina. Si say muko, say 4 years never. Yeah, train. Bienta.
4 years about obey.
I mean say Edua, any able to me actually advocacy
this gentleman. Basinteli, one man, Basinteli. Shejuma these guys do.
Yes.
All over. One person on
a minister no ni blogger
in Oshe or more commitment 49 back home we say rehabilitating national theatre take to be some chance and this year can you to me any national theatre this year ka we dey say this year kwa yen hwe you be rehabilitate national theatre
conference center
why 50 promises I say be theatre we fancy Kumasi Akadia can you two foundation post this year no you two foundation and I say your committee ska two foundation keke
your road ni into
and I'm we am free and tabo am free theater see a page building next year akaka creme
and komo ye din nyina no because we also belong to the industry ntini ya kasa o ntini say be a politics ni ye industry ho ne wo ekoye ma ye nyina ntini ni abre nti whether nipa ne NDC no MPP ni o I so can
national theatre on politicians who call shows. National George you play high profile people no akunya no mo transform you comfortable na akunya o trans na no move makwa na de bia mo call play any offensive musical concert
say AC ni affecting
and which in how
you say o ka say o ka no who so ka no we me dey purchase
and mo be I think say to say there's a budget allocated for the it is a miscellaneous or whatever it is they should tap in and give some to the creative art industry because here in Chimo this time there be o here in
see and by force yet your baby and also you see you know what is more disappointing yet your baby and also why your research right now industry were myriad of problems why your research was the problems when you know which me fix it and I bet you say problem we fix am into yen to no problem ya to am na fi wa ba wo say ma chase kan me amount bi why we should be laughing about this
abeba ochena nko abeba motombo
yate
sada na so president esa ekasai
abusianfo nsem wey and a creative art industry stakeholders no eka what do you say chira wadwen e wo comment section boss eka jo Mahama ni NDC promise and